Hi, my name is David Neal, and I'm here for the Match Guy, and we're here with Tammy, and we're going to start today with the ground zero, the framework of strategy. When I ask some people what are the 3 shots in tennis, they generally say forehand, backhand, serve, something like that. But I'm talking about strategy, and what I mean exactly by that is when I'm playing, when the ball's coming to me, I'm either going to hit a rally ball, I'm going to call it a rally ball. I'm not in trouble, but I'm not in the position to end the point, so I'm going to set up the point, okay? And what that means is if 10 is as hard as I can actually hit it, I need to hit it a 7, okay? Then I'm setting up the point. I'm moving the other person around, okay? Hopefully to get to their weakness. Reset, when I'm in trouble, when someone hits a deep shot or a hard shot or I stumble for some reason. Most people, when they're playing, they get excited and they try to hit winners. But I'm thinking defense, and I'm hitting the ball up higher than the net. I call it a reset, so you get back into the point. You're resetting the point. And then finally, the strike. And that means that you have an opening, and you're going to end the point. And you're consciously thinking, I'm going to end this point. Doesn't always happen that way, but that's what we're talking about. Rally, reset, strike. And that's the framework. And what that does is every match is composed of 3 sets in the world, pretty much. The sets of 6 games, first to 6 by 2, okay? And then we have the games, and then we have hits. And what the Match Guy does is it gets you down to the hit level so that you're present in every hit. When you're present in every hit and you're hitting the right shot, rally, reset, or strike, okay? Then you're more loose, you're more focused, and the fear, what happens, fear grips you when we're playing, and stress happens to everyone in a match, but it jumps on top if you're not thinking. And what I'm doing with the Match Guide is getting you to go from point to point to point, from hit to hit to hit through a match, naturally, so that that doesn't happen as much. And you'll find that you'll be playing your best tennis when you're playing a match, not just in practice. Does that make sense? So we're going to do rally balls first. I want everything cross-court if you can. And we're going to hit tennis as hard as you can hit it. I'd like you to try to hit a 7, okay? So, here we go. We're going cross court. Sorry about that ball. Here we go. 7, cross court. There it is. Very nice. That finds your speed. That's a good speed. Replicate that speed again. So it's 7, cross court. 7. There it is. Hit that same speed. 7, cross court. Okay? You see how she's not missing. 7, cross court. Okay? Does everybody see that, right? So you need to be thinking that way yourself. It's a rally ball. At first, it's a little hard. It's like learning a different language. Okay? And it's kind of aggravating. It might be a little bit aggravating, but you'll internalize it very quickly, and I don't even think about it anymore. I just do it. Now the next shot is a reset. When you're in trouble, try to relax. I know it's hard, but hit a lob and get yourself back into the point. Hit a lob and get back in the point. Look at that. See how nice and relaxed you are? Okay? Reset. Hit it up high. Very nice. Beautiful. And get back in the point. You're in trouble, you hit a lob. Seems so easy, right? But in a match, what do we do a lot? When we're in trouble, we get stressed and we try to hit winners, okay? And that's a mistake, and we miss almost all those shots. The last shot is what everybody loves to learn and loves to hit. It's called the strike. That's ending the point. And I'm here to tell you, at every level, even at the top level, okay, it's the least important of the 3, okay? But we're gonna practice it anyway. So I want you to come on up. Here's your opening, end the point. Strike it cross court, beautiful. And set it up again, right in about the middle of no man. There we go. Here we go. Come on up and strike it. Cross court. Beautiful. Right? One more. Strike it. Cross court. Very nice. And then go back. If I'm not playing a lot, actually, right? It's hard. When we're not playing a lot, we miss a lot more when we're striking because of the timing, and we're swinging a lot harder. I don't even think about that shot. I just do rally and reset. But we're going to practice all 3. So now we're going to put it all together, okay? First one. The rally ball cross court. Sorry about that. Let's start over again. That was bad feet. Here we go. Ready? Rally ball cross court. There it is. Now I'm going to put you in trouble. Reset. And hit a lob. And now come on up and strike. Cross court. Strike. Beauty. Let's do one more time. So, 7. It's 7. Cross court. Good. I'm going to put you in trouble. Lob it, and then come on up. Beautiful lob. Strike. Beautiful. One more time. And you see how I'm also getting my feeds a little bit better. I'm sorry about those feeds in the beginning. But you see how much you're more relaxed because you're thinking this way. So when we practice this, you need to think this way. And guess where it starts? In the warm-up, okay? Here we go. Rally ball, cross court, 7. There it is. Reset. You're in trouble. Hit a lob. And then come on up and strike. And that was the best example. Did you see how you were moving well, but you didn't seem stressed? I didn't see any stress on your body. Okay? So that's the key of the match guide, is that on the hit level, we're getting down to the hit level, every hit of every point, of every game, of every set, of every match, you should be thinking that way. Do you think that would be hard to get into your game if you start thinking about it? In the beginning, it's a little bit aggravating, but then it gets really good. And if you do that, what happens? Every point will end in a winner, an unforced error, or a forced error. And what happens when you think this way, look how many balls are on your side. How many? There are no balls on that side, okay? So what happens when we think this way, it's kind of sneaky, is that the unforced errors just start disappearing from our game. And that's really what makes us win. Now, the next step is we're going to be a little more laser focused on where to hit your rally, reset, and strike. Does that make sense? The match guide.